So under normal circumstances, you can pull out of a purchase during the cooling off period. Normally that's 5 business days. Sometimes you can negotiate for longer. It could be like 10 business days, 21 business days, 7 business days, up to you. Just depends on what's agreed. But generally in that space of time, you can change your mind for any reason. You can just wake up one day and just decide, no, I don't feel like it. You can pull out then. Otherwise, another possibility is if there's a clause in the contract that says it's subject to certain conditions being met. And if you haven't met those conditions, then you may have the right to pull out of the contract. Say, for example, in Queensland, you have your building and pest condition, you have your subject to finance. If you've done your building and pest report, you read it, you don't like the property, you can pull out. If you apply for finance is not enough, you can pull out. So it just depends on the contract.
And then in your subject to conditions, can you basically put whatever conditions you like?
In theory, yes, but obviously that requires both parties, both the seller and the buyer, they both have to agree to it. Normally the seller would not agree to all sorts of random conditions. The most common reasons why a buyer can pull out of a purchase is during the cooling off, or subject to building and pest report, or subject to finance approval.